Brad's house. Nothing special. Just another dump in Long Beach. You know, I call home. Today, let's look at all the junk that I gotta fix. It started leaking.
What?
Yeah, the oil pressure hose goes from the top of the turbo down to the fitting down there. I'm gonna take it off right now.
There was a leak down there in the last video.
Was there a drip?
Yeah.
I think it's the hose, the compression part of the hose is bad. So I gotta take that back off right now because I had a little puddle. And I was like, this thing didn't want to go anywhere. But literally, I drove it for the last 3 days. I drove it to Chick-fil-A. I was leaving Chick-fil-A, went to the back parking lot of Target, went and did like 2 donuts. Was pulling out a cop right there. Like, boom, pulls us over. And my son tells the cop, he's an idiot. And I was like, hey, I was just trying to see if the tires rub. I didn't want to mess up my tires before I go to the track. And he was like, that's all right. You just go to go. Then I called Gary instantly.
Did your soda spill?
Yes. The soda was dripping.
No, the soda was dripping. It was just sitting.
It almost spilled.
Welcome back to my house. We're actually getting ready to... Abby! Yeah, I know, huh? We're getting ready to go on vacation, so we kind of stopped everything. But we had a few things to catch up on because I didn't show you guys, but we did a motorcycle build that was my dad's motorcycle, and we reconditioned it back to original shape, and we're selling it. And the idea was to do a project with my son so that we could like build something together, sell it, and then use the money to do something else because we're not rich. And we went ahead and bought him his. So we haven't sold the motorcycle yet. I didn't do what I said I was gonna do. And we went ahead and bought him his new motorcycle, new to him motorcycle. And if we wanna go check it out, this is a DR200. It's a dual sport bike. And within the first day, we already ripped the whole front end off, ripped the smog devices off, broke the clutch. So we're already replacing parts. So if you see pictures, we'll show pictures here of what it was stock, and then we'll show pictures of where it's at right now. And we still have a mod list we're working on. So yeah, we did a seat already. We did a front light with the turn signals and braided. We took the stock fender and trimmed it down and painted it because the fender we have on order is still going to be a couple weeks back. We deleted the smog canister off the side. We did the air box mod, which allows more air in with the jets, and that's about where we stand. We do have other stuff inside, I'll show you guys. So like I said, we are going on a snow trip in 5 days skiing in Bryanhead.
Get out.
Here's where all the boss ladies are.
Get out.
Right?
We're getting ready for a shoot with this. So you guys all remember this build. This is my build, that's for 240 also. We're getting ready to shoot this out in LA. So this is the bike that I was talking about.
Oh, this was in the last video.
Yeah. Hey you guys, I don't know everything. I had to print the manual out and follow it. And I've basically just gone through the manual and done all the spec to race. So like if you were gonna take this bike out and race it or maintain it, you would follow this. And that's what we did. We tore it back down, cleaned everything up. All the hardware's original, all the tank, the seat, everything's original. This is getting recovered right now. This is the actual seat for it. And the fender's in the backyard getting its last coat of paint. But it's all factory original, ready to run, like fire up and drive. Broke the clutch lever. He
did everything in one walk.
One day got it all done.
Oh, okay.
Figured, fuck it, I'll do it all in one day. Get her done. Alright. One of these is causing a grief. And I think it's this guy. And wow.
Pinched like a
wow.
It got twisted.
It got twisted when we...
A long time ago.
Yes, it did. Ouchie. You know what's this? This is a shitty eBay lines because they don't turn, like they don't twist independently, you know, like a good one. Yeah, like this, it should actually twist. That's the fucking cause and effect of that bullshit right there. So now I've got to get these fittings out which are 15 and 17. And this one's not going to be long as long.
Oh, that's better.
Back down here. This. Ooh, I'm afraid of this one. I am going to go back and get a 90 later, but this will work. I can just lay this over like this for now. Thank God the turbo's on a 45. I wouldn't be fucking happy if it wasn't. I just know I'm gonna go get a real good line. This is another eBay line right here. I have no faith in this. So I have a feeling I'm gonna go see my good buddy at Deering Engineering and go get a real line made. Cause that's fine for now. But it actually, this foot thing will sit it down. That. This is my sensor. Actually, I'm gonna put this over here.
Very nice.
If I would have checked that it wasn't kinked, it probably wouldn't have failed. But due to my sales installation.
You don't understand. This is my style.
This is the way you like it. Let me have Narina pull her car out and pressure wash it.
Move that shit out the way, Narina. Oh no.
That's that turbo. I bet you I hate that turbo. There's that cheap bay turbo. Oh, it's that seal. I heard it yesterday. That's horrible. It just started that too. So if it was like a compression one with the pistons, like cylinder rings, it'd be like boop, 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 boop. You know what I'm saying? But it's like a dripper. So it's dripping in the exhaust. So I bet you when we pull the turbo off right now, in the exhaust housing, it's dripping oil in the exhaust housing.
Ooh. I don't know if she opened the door.
I'm gonna be buying another turbo for that thing.
Turbo.
Yeah, getting rid of
DR200. Did you wash it?
He just took it in the mud. He went to the back over there and just got it completely. He's already broke a clutch lever off, bent the handlebars.
Oh, this
we're on the
is
second
true.
light, so.
Just like a step.
Okay, yeah, one last clip before you guys leave. Oh my god. Look at that. So much purple going on in here. Bye guys. Alright. Yes, hit me up.